This is your host, Eric Estrada. Remember to hit like and subscribe to the channel. And today we are reviewing the DKLAB's new DKW1 Pro wireless pen. We're going to go ahead and unbox it. And we're going to take out the outer protective sleeve. Okay. And we immediately see the DK1, the DKLAB's DKW1 Pro machine. When we open the box, we immediately see the user's manual. And it is a nice user's manual. Remember to read it so you know everything about your machine. We have ourselves a nice blue DKLAB's machine. Let's go ahead and take off the outer cardboard. Okay, and right here we're going to see the machine. In here it shows you on the box that it comes with a charging cable and a USB-C cord. And in here there is a white DKLAB's plug and USB-C cable. And a nice box, very well indicated. And we see the DKLAB's machine with the extra grip, extra battery, and a packet of grommets. This is the extra battery. I picked for this model a blue one, as we can see. This is the extra grip. And this machine comes with a very nice ergonomic grip and a very nice quality color and feel to it. It has the DKLAB logo, and when we turn it on, we can immediately see the screen with all of its indicators. Now, as you see, the machine has a very interesting grip. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and show you what it consists of. The grip has this indentation right here. It has a notch on both sides for your fingers and a notch on the back side for the rest finger. Okay, this machine, I think, has the most perfect grip any tattoo machine I have ever picked up. So, as you see, you can hold the machine perfectly, put your finger in that indentation, and go ahead, run lines. For me, I wish that, as awkward as it looks, it would have a second indentation over here, because this is how I'm going to run the machine. Okay, so it's a little slightly off for me, but it is still very much the best grip that I've ever had when it comes to holding a machine. All right, when we turn it on, we can barely hear the machine at 8 volts, but it is slightly more audible than some machines. At 12, we can definitely hear the motor and feel strong vibration in the grip. Okay, not strong enough that you can't work, in my opinion. Compared to a coil machine, nothing has too much vibration. But There are some that may say that that's a little bit too much vibration. For me, I feel that it's perfect. So this is how it looks with the additional grip. And this version of the machine comes with no RCA cable. So that concludes the unboxing video of the DKLAB Pro new model. All right, so if anything, please go ahead, hit like and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more reviews.